Heuchera Forever Red. FAQs for the vibrant coral bells. Hi, Ferbu here. I'm a plant enthusiast with a passion for bringing color and life to gardens. Today, we're diving into the Heuchera Forever Red, a stunning coral bells variety known for its deep red, long-lasting foliage. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, this FAQ will answer your questions about Heuchera Forever Red, its care needs, and how it compares to other popular options. What is Heuchera Forever Red? Heuchera Forever Red, a cultivar developed by Terra Nova Nurseries, is a perennial prized for its vibrant, ruffled, deep red leaves. This shade intensifies as the weather cools, making it a standout addition to your garden throughout the seasons. Heuchera Fire Alarm versus Forever Red. I found both Heuchera Fire Alarm and Forever Red captivating additions to my garden. Fire Alarm's vibrant red foliage really stands out, especially in the morning sun, adding a fiery burst of color that catches my eye every time I pass by. On the other hand, Forever Red has a deeper, more velvety hue that lends a rich, elegant contrast to my garden bed, especially against green foliage. Each brings its own charm, but Fire Alarm's intense brightness edges it out slightly for me, offering a striking visual impact that's hard to resist. Where can I plant Heuchera Forever Red? This versatile plant thrives in various lighting conditions. You can plant it in full sun, partial shade, or even full shade. However, in full sun, ensure the soil stays consistently moist to prevent foliage decline. Once established, Heuchera Forever Red tolerates dry shade well. What kind of soil does Heuchera Forever Red prefer? Heuchera Forever Red prefers rich, well-drained soil with good moisture retention. Aim for a humusy, medium moisture loam, or sandy loam mix. How do I care for Heuchera Forever Red? Here's the beauty of Heuchera Forever Red. It's relatively low maintenance. Watering. Water regularly, especially during hot weather or when planted in full sun. Ensure the soil stays moist but not soggy. Feeding. Apply a balanced fertilizer in early spring to encourage healthy growth. Dividing. To maintain vibrant foliage, divide mature clumps every 3 to 4 years in spring. Deadheading. While not necessary, deadheading spent flower stalks can improve plant appearance. Does Heuchera Forever Red have any pest or disease problems? Generally, Heuchera Forever Red is resistant to serious pests and diseases. However, keep an eye out for vine weevil. These beetles feed on roots, causing stunted growth and wilting. Use insecticidal nematodes for control. Heuchera rust. This fungal disease shows as orange pustules on leaves. Remove affected foliage and apply fungicide if necessary. How tall does Heuchera Forever Red grow? Heuchera Forever Red typically reaches a mature height of around 16 inches, 40 centimeters. How wide does Heuchera Forever Red spread? This coral bells variety boasts a spread of approximately 16 inches, 40 centimeters, as well, creating a lovely, compact clump. Does Heuchera Forever Red flower? Yes, Heuchera Forever Red produces white flowers on airy stalks in late spring or early summer. While the foliage is the true star of the show, these delicate blooms add a touch of elegance. Is Heuchera Forever Red winter hardy? Excellent news. Heuchera Forever Red thrives in USDA hardiness zones 4 to 9. This means it can withstand winter temperatures as low as -30 degrees Fahrenheit, -34 degrees Celsius. How can I use Heuchera Forever Red in my garden? Heuchera Forever Red's vibrant foliage makes it a fantastic choice for various garden applications. Borders. Planted along walkways or flower beds for a stunning pop of color. Containers. Its compact size makes it ideal for pots and patio displays. Mass planting. Create a dramatic effect by planting Heuchera Forever Red in groups. Ground cover. Use it to suppress weeds and add visual interest in shaded areas. How does Heuchera Forever Red compare to other Heuchera varieties? There are many Heuchera varieties available, each with unique characteristics. Here's a quick comparison with two popular options. Heuchera Plum Royale. This variety boasts deep purple foliage with a metallic sheen. It prefers partial to full shade and reaches a similar height and spread as Heuchera Forever Red. Heuchera Lime Ricky. This Heuchera features bright lime green leaves that add a vibrant contrast to other plants. It thrives in partial shade and grows slightly taller than Heuchera Forever Red at around 24 inches, 60 centimeters. The best Heuchera for your garden depends on your desired color scheme, light conditions, and overall design goals. Is Heuchera Forever Red deer-resistant? While not completely deer-proof, Heuchera Forever Red is generally less palatable to deer compared to other plants. Additional tips for Heuchera Forever Red success. Here are some extra pointers to ensure your Heuchera Forever Red thrives. Mulch. Apply a layer of organic mulch around the base of the plant to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Deadheading. While optional, deadheading spent flowers can encourage the plant to focus energy on foliage production. Simply snip off the flower stalks at the base after blooming. Spring cleaning. In early spring, remove any dead or winter-damaged leaves to promote healthy new growth. Enjoy the show. Heuchera Forever Red is a low-maintenance plant that rewards you with vibrant color throughout the season. I hope this FAQ has been helpful. With its stunning red foliage and easygoing nature, Heuchera Forever Red is a fantastic choice for gardeners of all levels. So why not add a touch of fiery charm to your garden with this beautiful Coral Bells variety?